Hey there guys, Nick here. Today I'd like to paint this fridge. I'm going to be painting it in blackboard paint. We've already got some blackboard paint, which is fantastic. We bought this a while ago and intended to do this about 2 years ago, but I guess I'm doing it now. I've got a few different things. Sandpaper on a sanding block. This will help me get it nice and flat. I've got my primer and my blackboard paint, or chalkboard paint as they call it. There we go. First step, get a good solid key on the surface, scrape off any rust, scratch off any stickers or paint that you might have gotten on there by accident in the past. So I've done that now. Doesn't take very long. Just mask things up that I obviously don't want to paint. Alright, well that took a bit longer than I thought it would, but as you can see, I've got that handle masked off quite nicely. Got the front of that hinge there masked off. I've got the seal all the way around masked off. So now all that's technically exposed is that front bit. I might actually put a little bit down the sides here as well, just to protect that. Listen. There we go, now nicely masked all the way around. So first things first, soft cloth, make sure we get all the dust off it. Got to get all that off. Alright, primer. We'll grab a roller, start painting. Try not to stand in this paint. Well, that's the first coat done. I'm going to let that dry. I'm going to do another coat of the primer and then I'll get started on the next step. Alrighty, the undercoat's all dry, which means I can get started on the black. So I'll give this a good shake up. So I'm going to change to a new roller. Just make sure there's no loose fluff on it. The last one had a couple of bits of fluff come out in the undercoat, which is a bit annoying. Black. I'm going to move this back and get started. Well, that's the second coat of black chalkboard paint done. Wow, the moon looks really cool. Sorry, distracted. That's the second coat done. I'm going to let that dry now for another, that's been about 25-30 minutes that it's been drying already. So I'm going to leave it for another half an hour. Let that dry off. I'm going to leave you to watch paint dry. Hey guys, it's all done. It's, as you can see, not 100% dry yet. There's still a couple of... Wow, it's impossible to focus on this thing because of how flat it is. But I would say that's pretty much done. I think I should have probably painted this as well, I think. But that's okay, I could touch it up with a brush potentially later. But yeah. Left a bit of tape there. Can't get it off. But guys, that's pretty much it. It's turned out really well. I'm really pleased with it. Let me know what you think. Have you ever tried to repaint a fridge at home? Let me know how it went for you. Let me know what you think of this. And like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you tomorrow.